Alright everybody, this is Shy, Gang 67, back again with another video. I got this Dodge Charger RT. We're going to get a cold start of it. So you guys get ready to listen to this. And this is really nice. Take a look at it. Rams in the move. I want to check out this Corvette too, guys. It's nice. Let's just check it out. How about that? Drop top. That's a Corvette. Now I'm gonna go over here. We're gonna hit this cold start on this Charger. Here we go. I'm gonna put it down by your pipe. Hold on. Look at this. I already done went around your car and did everything. Looked at everything. No, I didn't get the inside. Yeah, the outside. Yeah. I ain't getting the tag in there.
Just a resonated delete with a Flowmaster dual exhaust.
Uh-oh. Listen to this, guys. Thank you, man. You gonna be joining the team? That is nice, guys. Look at that. That's that Charger. All right, baby. Thank you, babe. This is Shy, Gang 67. Beautiful car. Corvette's beautiful. The Charger's beautiful. And I'm out, gang. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell. your thumbs up and share this video. Thank you guys, and I appreciate your support and everything you guys are doing. I appreciate everything. Love you guys.